right, today, Forward on Fours, we were working on Project Flipper or Giver today. And that's what we about to do. We working on it today. Today, the bed comes off. And today I got my buddy, Andre, Chevy King, right here. No, Chevy King. You don't see that car out there, big block in the G body? Oh, wait, let me get a good, I don't see, wait, let me see, let me turn it out. Bam! Y'all don't see it. This man is a big block master. He gonna help me get this stage 3454 in here today. Got a quick hand on it, so he's working on it. We working on it. Stay tuned. Need some more footage here in a minute. Ruckers, I still love you, boy. We ain't going nowhere. Be right back with y'all. Get out of here. Well, y'all see the new update. He got the bed off Project Flipper or Giver. I ain't got no name for it. What you think we should call it, Dre? What you think we should call it? It's gotta be a her because that's a him. You know, Chevy's got to be the female and the Ford's got to be the male, bitch. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
I don't want to call her a crusty bitch, but you know,
hey, you know, hey, I tell you what I was cussing underneath here, cutting these bolts out, y'all. Yeah, it's something. But yeah, we got it off. Now we finna work on this bike here, and all of this stuff here, and all this stuff in here that's got to go back there. So stay tuned for the next time. We're gonna work on the back real quick. We'll holler at you in a second. We fitting these pieces in. We have now cut that out. Yeah, we made a couple fucking mistakes right here. We cut this, excuse my French, cut one right here. Oh, but that's okay. You know what? That's what a weld is for. We're gonna put this joker right back in there on the holes. Now we're gonna drill this in, put it in, and then we're gonna jump to that side.
and not fuck up.
And not screw up. Now we know what not to cut. Now we know what not to cut. Oh man, I'm not afraid of making mistakes, y'all. Y'all shouldn't be. All right, Drizzy Dre, let's go. Let's rock and roll, bro.
All right, get out of the way.
You're gonna be famous, so we're gonna be. Yes, sir. You got something stubborn.
The cruise thing is for your thing, folks, right?
We shall get it off.
And
T-notches in. Now we're dealing with a southern U-boat. Can handle the slip kit. Slip kit. Get right back with you. Flipper Giver. Dre, he tired. Tired, boss. But now we had a couple of issues, but yep, flip kits in. That's the one to get that addressed first. Next thing we're gonna do is probably lift this cab off and then change that gas tank out with a new tank because it's been sitting since what you think 2008 or more longer than that?
2006 or 7.
6 or 7. That's a metal tank, so it's probably got all kind of crap in it. So, but right now, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's gangster leaning in the front now. So it's no bed on it, and it's already down. So it's got a whew. You know, what do they call that with trucks when they like this?
Oh, yeah.
They sagging or whatever they call that.
Sagging.
Jump. Yeah. So that's the next thing on it. So that's this part here. I don't know if we're gonna do a part 2, if I'm gonna run all these videos together, but stay tuned with it. This is what it is. Right now, we got the flip kit on, the actual flip kit on, and the C-notch in. And we're gonna go from there. So, all right, stay tuned. It'll be a minute, or it's gonna be a minute to y'all in video world. So it's gonna be like this. Flip kit in. That's why boom, flip kit in. But be careful, y'all. It's a PSA. When you're dealing with people and you say you can trust them, you can't trust them. But I want y'all to know, if you look over there, you see that one over there? You see that one over there? Let me try to put it on. Boom. You see that thing over there? You see that thing inside the C-notch over there? Yeah, it's called a drum. Yeah. Well, guess what? Be careful with people that call you friends, because guess what? Don't even got a drum. Oh yeah, I got a roller for you. Not even a drum. It don't even got the old brake shoes. No brake hardware. No brake emergency lever. All of it's gone. Oh, everything there in the truck, it's a roller, da-da-da. All you gotta do is da-da, drop the motor and go. Really? Really? Drop my motor and go. Not gonna happen. Yeah, I thought it would be stuck inside the back of the doggone thing in there. But guess what? It's not even in there. So go to put the rim on it. I can't do it. Just to set this down, since I got the C-notch for that, so I can see what the level is going to be once I do the front end. I'm going to put the rims on the back real quick, just get it so I can get the right height correct and all that good stuff, all the stuff you got to do. And then this. So, PSA, watch people who say they're your friends, because mainly they might not be. On to the next one.